Hello friends! We finished animation of the presentation and now it is time to make the video. When the presentation is animated, transition and timing between slides are set, it is pretty easy to produce the video. All you need is to go to File, Export, Create a Video. Here you can select the desired resolution and set timing between slides if needed. You only need to set it here when you didn't set the transitions in the presentation. So in our case, it doesn't really matter. However, before we create the video, I want to show you how to add the background music. You can use your own music or you can download free royalty music from bandsound.com royalty-free music. I already have the audio, so please take your time to find and download the appropriate audio. I don't include this audio to the course, so you have a chance to practice how to find the right source files for your presentations. Next, we need to add the audio to the slideshow. Go to the first slide and drag the audio file to the presentation, placing it above the working area so it doesn't distract you. Next, open the animation pane and move the audio file on top of the rest animation effects. Make it start with previous. Now we need to make it play across slides. Select the audio icon, go to Playback and check mark Play across slides. In case you have the short audio or your presentation is big and its timing exceeds the length of the audio, make sure to check mark Loop until stopped. Also, I don't want the audio to be too loud, so let's reduce the volume. Select the audio icon and reduce the volume. You can click the play button to understand the expected volume. If you place the audio icon on the visible part of the slide, make sure to check mark the hide during the show, so it was not visible in the video. Also, if you don't like how the audio starts or you want to crop it, just open the Trim Audio pane and adjust it as needed. Finally, one more important aspect. The PowerPoint allows to set fade in and fade out timing for the audio, so the audio starts and finishes smoothly. The thing is, it worked just fine in PowerPoint 2016, but in PowerPoint 2019, this function doesn't work well. That is why, for smooth and accurate working with the audio, I recommend to use one of free or paid video editing software like Camtasia Studio, Adobe Premiere, etc. Moreover, if you want to add the narration to the presentation and sync it with the animation, you must work with one of these programs. Based on my experience, the best software to sync PowerPoint video with narration and add the background music is the Camtasia Studio. But that is the topic for another course. Let's finish our current video. You can still set the desired timing for fade in and fade out. I hope Microsoft will fix it in future updates to PowerPoint, and it will work in your case. After you edit the audio, make it play across slides and set fade in and fade out. You can produce the video. Go to File, Export, Create a Video and choose the Full HD 1080p. Set timing to 0 and click Create Video. It will take you some time to render the video. After it finishes, open the video and play to preview the result. If you noticed any mistakes, want to decrease audio volume or anything else, just do the necessary changes and produce the new video. Congratulations, you finished the course. If you decided to follow our recommendations and used your content for the presentation, now you have your own custom promotional video that you can use for Facebook, YouTube and other platforms. If you have any questions, contact us and I will be happy to answer them. Check our other courses and stay connected. Thanks again for taking our course. We hoped you enjoyed it. Bye.